Hey guys, this is Engineer Bonjo Barbello and you are watching CBox. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications and updates on our YouTube channel. So this is our problem number 1 for the topic design of singly reinforced rectangular beam under ultimate strength design. A rectangular beam has a width of 300 mm and an effective depth of 490 mm. The concrete compressive strength is 27.6 megapascal and steel yield strength is 276 megapascal. Calculate the required tension steel area if the factored moment mu is letter A 20 kN meter and letter B 410 kN meter. So we have two situation. So for letter A, ang ating mu ay 20 kN meter. So ano ba ang first step natin? Ang ating first step dito is kukunin natin yung yung ating design maximum nominal moment or VMN max. Or kaya pwede naman kahit yung MN max na lang or maximum nominal moment. So this is equivalent to C multiplied by D minus A over 2. Na kung saan kukunin natin ng A mula doon sa ating maximum C, no? Yung C max, yung location ng ating neutral axis. So this is equivalent to 3 over 7 multiplied by the effective depth. So 210. So masolve na natin yung ating A max. Ang ating A max is equivalent to beta 1 multiplied by C max. Ang ating beta 1 is equivalent to 0.85 kasi ang ating F'C is less than ng 28 megapascal. So this is 178.5 millimeters. So masolve na natin yung ating compressive force C which is equivalent to 0.85 F'C multiplied by A multiplied by B. Then, i-divide natin ng 1,000 para maging kilonewton. So, 1256.28 kilonewton. So, multiplied by D minus A over 2. Then, divide natin ng 1,000 para maging kilonewton meter. So, 503.46 kilo-newton meter. At i-compare natin yung ating MN max sa MN. So, saan magagaling to? Dito sa given na MU. So, MU divided by reduction factor phi. Ang reduction factor phi natin ay mula rito. Ayan, ito. So, 0.65. Or kaya siguro, copy na lang natin yung equation na nandun. So, ang ating phi dito is 0.65 plus 0.25 multiplied by 800 minus Fy over 1,000 minus Fy. So, this is 0.831. Kaya, ang ating MN is 24.07 kilo Newton meter. Okay. So ngayon, itong Mn max natin is pwede natin makuha gamit itong simplified equation. So try natin kung magtutugma. 51 over 140 multiplied by beta 1, 0.85 F prime C, then B times D squared multiplied by 1 minus 3 over 14 multiplied by beta 1. Then divide natin ng 1,000 squared kasi naka yun, Newton millimeters. So 503.46. O di ba? Same na same. So nasa inyo kung gusto niyo i-memorize yung simplified equation or dito kayo sa kumbaga step by step procedure. So okay lang naman kahit ano sa dalawa. So ngayon, meron na tayong Mn. So since ang ating Mn max ay greater than sa ating Mn, therefore, dito tayo. Ayan. Dito tayo mag-fall. Singly reinforced beam. So, kung singly reinforced beam yan, dun tayo sa step 2. So, sa step 2, kailangan nating malaman kung siya ay under ng tension controlled or transition zone. So, kailangan nating hanapin yung VMNT. So, itong VMNT, since nasa siya, tension controlled, that is 0.005, no? Yung kanyang strain, pwede nating hanapin yung, yung C sub T. Ayan. Pagkatapos natin nahanap yung C sub T, mahanap natin ang MNT, which is equivalent to C multiplied by D minus A over 2, na kung saan ang A ay manggagaling dito. Or kaya, pwede na rin naman itong buong equation na kagad. So, naalala nyo, ito, yung 0.005, na kung saan merong equation for C sub T, under yun sa, sa introduction natin ng ating chapter 3. So, ito, solve na natin kagad yung ating VMNT. So, 459 over 16 multiplied by beta 1 multiplied by F prime C multiplied by 300 times 490 squared multiplied by 1 over 3 over 16 multiplied by beta 1. Then divided by 1,000 squared. So, 407.51 kilo Newton meter. So, since ang ating VMNT ay greater than sa ating MU, therefore, under tayo ng tension controlled. Kaya, yung ating reduction factor is equivalent to 0.90 at magpuproceed tayo sa step 2A. So, ito yung ating step 2A. So, dito, masasolve na natin yung ating AS. So, ang ating Rn, para masolve ang ating still ratio, is equivalent to Mu over VBD squared. So, ang ating Mu is 20. Then, times 10 raised to 6 para maging Newton millimeters. Then, ang ating V is 0.90 multiplied by B times D squared. So, this is 0.309. Oops, check natin. Parang may mali. Okay, 0.90, 300, okay, so tama. So, 0.309. So, since meron na tayong Rn, masasolve na natin ngayon yung ating still ratio. So, 0.85 F prime C over Fy multiplied by 1 minus square root of 1 minus 2 Rn over 0.85 F prime C. Oops, nadoble yung dot. Oops, saan may mali? Ah, okay. Ayan. So, tinasolve natin. 0.00113. Ilang zero? Dalawa. So, kailangan natin isolve ngayon yung ating raw minimum. So, dito sa dalawang to, mamimili tayo ng pinakamataas sa kanang dalawa. So, 0.25 square root of F prime C over Fy. So this is 0.00476. And then 1.4 over Fy. 0.0, okay, so sorry, this is 276. 0.00507. So yung ating raw minimum is equivalent to 0.00507. So as we can see here, yung ating raw minimum ay mas mataas pa sa na-solve natin na steel ratio na required para sa 20 kN meter na MU. So ibig sabihin, ang kailangan nating piliin is ito. Yan. Ito ang kailangan nating piliin. Eh sir, bakit po tayo nag-fall sa minimum steel ratio? Ibig sabihin nun, masyadong maliit ang 20 kN meter. No? Na kung saan, ang required lang talaga na bakal para dito sa 20 kN meter ay under lamang ng minimum area. So, mga-solve na natin ang AS, which is parang minimum area na lang din. Kasi ang gagamitin natin is minimum steel ratio multiplied by BD. Okay, so 0.00507 multiplied by 300 multiplied by 490. So this is 745.29. Pero take note class itong area minimum na to is siya na rin yung siya na rin yung required para buhatin yung 20 kN meter. So sige, pwede nating burahin to. Pwede nating ilagay na AS required. Ayan. So ito na ngayon yung kailangan na bakal para sa moment na 20 kN meter. So punta naman tayo sa letter B na kung saan ang given naman ay sobrang layo sa 20 kN meter. Ang given ay 410. So check natin kung anong mangyayari. So same pa rin naman ang pag-solve ng ating MN max. Saka yung C dito, same na same pa rin yan. Walang magbabago. Yan. So, di natin kailangan to. Di na natin kailangan yan. Okay? So, ngayon, isolve naman natin ng MN based on our given na 410 kN meter. So, MN is equivalent to MU divided by phi. So, 410 divided by phi na 0.831. So, 493.38. Kilo Newton meter. So since ang ating MN max ay greater than sa ating MN, ganun pa rin. Pasok pa rin tayo sa singly reinforced beam. Okay? Ang tanong na lang is, under kaya tayo ng tension controlled or sa transition? So, ano ba yung ating PMNT? Same pa rin yan, hindi magbabago. 407.51 pa rin. So, dito, since ang ating PMNT ay less than na sa ating MU na 410 kN meter, therefore, pasok na tayo sa transition region or transition zone. So, kung transition zone tayo, pupunta tayo ngayon sa step 2B. So, copy na lang natin to. So, sa step 2B, kailangan natin makuha si C. Tapos makukuha si A. Ayan, Fs, then yung ating reduction factor. Kaso, sobrang haba nitong equation na to. Hindi yan magkakasya sa ating calculator, so iisa-isahin natin yan. So, sabay-sabay tayo. Isulat natin yung equation natin. Ang ating MU is equivalent to 0.65 plus 0.25 multiplied by 600 multiplied by D minus C over C minus Fy over 1,000 minus Fy. Multiplied by 0.85 F prime C multiplied by A. So, dapat yung A in terms of C. So, beta 1 C. Then, multiplied by B, yung width, multiplied by the moment arm. Ang moment arm natin ay D minus A. So, yung A natin dapat in terms of C rin. So, this is D minus A na beta 1 C over 2. So, ano bang given natin na MU? 410. So, naka-kilonewton meter yan. So, dapat times 10 raised to 6. Convert natin ng Newton millimeters. So, 410 times 10 raised to 6. Tapos, ang gawin natin, itong 0.85 F prime C multiplied by beta 1 multiplied by B, i-divide na kagad natin sa kanya. So, 0.85 F prime C, 27.6, beta 1, 0.85. Yung ating width is 300. So, 68535.51 or 513 is equivalent to, okay, ito copy-paste lang din. Tapos, ano pa? Okay na to, no? Ang matitira na lang dito is yung C. So, multiplied by C. Then, yung ating moment arm. So, ang unknown na lang dito ngayon is yung C. Okay, game. So, 68535.513 is equivalent to 0.65 plus 0.25 multiplied by 600 multiplied by D minus C over C minus Fy na 276 over 1,000 minus 276 multiplied by C, okay, multiplied by D 490 minus beta 1 which is 0.85 then C over 2. Ayan, medyo mahaba nga lang talaga siya. Okay, so mali. Okay. So, mali tayo dito ng bracket lang naman. Nakalimutan natin. Ayan. Buo nga pala to, no? Ay, bracket ba ang tawag rito? Nakalimutan ko na. Ayan. So, nakalimutan natin yung dito. Ayan. Tapos dun sa 0.65. Okay? So, yung sagot, 189.53. So, that is C. 189.53 millimeters. So, mula rito, masasolve na rin natin ng A. So, ang A natin is 0.85 multiplied by X. 161.10. So, ngayon, sisasolve natin ng A and C, masasolve na rin natin ng Fs kung siya ba ay nag-yield or hindi. So, 600 multiplied by D minus C over C. Ang D is 490 minus C, that is X over X. 951.17 mega Pascal. So, since nag-greater than tayo sa Fy na 276, therefore, still yields. So, kung nag-yield ang bakal, ibig sabihin, ang gagamitan dito sa dulo, yung AS, Fs, ayan, ang Fs natin is magiging Fy kasi nag-yield yung bakal. Ang tanong na lang is, ano yung ating reduction factor? So, since ang ating Fs na 951.17 ay greater than sa 400 megapascal, pero less than naman sa 1,000 megapascal, ibig sabihin, under talaga tayo ng transition zone. So, kung under tayo ng transition zone, kailangan nating isolve ang ating reduction factor. So, that is 0.65 plus 0.25 multiplied by, okay, Fs minus Fy over 1,000 minus Fy. Ang Fs natin ay 951.51 minus Fy 276 over 1,000 minus 276. So 0.883. So ngayon, masasolve na natin yung AS mula sa equilibrium ng ating compressive force and tension force. So 0.85 F prime C multiplied by A multiplied by B is equivalent to AS Fs, pero since nag-yield yung bakal, magiging siyang Fy. Ito ang ating AS. So 0.85 F prime C multiplied by A. Ang A natin is 161.10. Ang B is 300. Then over Fy, 276. So 4108.05. Millimeter squared. And that is our problem number 1 for the topic, design of singly reinforced rectangular beam. So that's our example problem. We hope na marami kayong natutunan at naintindihan sa aming video tutorial. Again, this is Engineer Bonjob Arbelio and you are watching CEBOX. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notifications and updates on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!